Shaka Dorban Jingstan Wat Mohab Pokrum Alama Kayeng Ringkat Kajing Stan Paska Bania Tunju Shishaka Dajuan Tupen Sawan Syakit dan Nokshka Panyang Rangba Kariu Syempang Badan Aku
Hadian bagajeng aipor basposni ke Federation of Khasi Jantian Garo People FKJGP ya ke Sorkar Jela kelakut no. Ha kasni balang kidong ilam kene keseng kilalit ya kendo yo director ketenat printing but stationery USR Marak. Ha ka bakila bathayu ban mino nak office ban aila de kejing toket departmental inquiry bagan long ke bakuat. Persyayu halur kejing keno ba uradun keti ha ka ban penan kam baklai bisa lagi kelur tengka. Assistant General Secretary ke FKJGP uba regional Thabah ulong bagajing pha yau director ban mino nak office kade hadian melakut no gajing aipor basposni ya ke Sorkar Jela bakade ban weng swashipor director nak kam kanang bagajing toket kanong bakoi ulong ba director lupan pau bon hab bane kren chwa bat ke Sorkar chwa bon mi nak office terekam bat ke FKJGP kalapan pau balada director tre ban mi kumta kamban se ban syem dek senjam ki bakam teng e nakaliang USR Marak ulong ba dan benta kejing peran kam baklai ke pisa ha ke office ba ulong ba on mi nak ke office kat ba pat yo ya ke hukum nak Sorkar ule thu ru ba kade bandan kejing toket ke bede ba kejing peran kam baklai ke pisa ha ke office dari kibor Sorkar kelapun kan ria no aswa nak kidau ki bangla ban kiar
Hagajing so jungi nakaliang ke FKHP hadian bangila ay ka city chief minister hakabidai bat kanika di pamta inquiry hakabadan kajing kajing perkam bakla ya ka kepisah ka bakot hadu 2.09 crores ya ka ba ngilalap napo ka report na si EG bat kumjuru na ka RTI no Ijen Star Kurkalang hadian mengilap hak city nadu ka apro art apply te kumta dengan syambah ni iPod ultimatum coach post ni dengan syambah nakaliang ka government kam syamale ban transfer ushui department ni ban suspend you kam syamale tarangi nakaliang ka sang FKHP sentro body iwan ban ong yu ba udi ban mi dan office sendan lada udang dan akan ke department ni kalong ka inquiry ka nomlong ka bukut yang bersubah
cakap ika jeng perpau nak kalian jong director suruh kena jeng dawa
mentan uang apa nak kalian dulu berkaitan dengan ketak inquiry di mentak kasih ke hearing tebak lak pospon no tinggi kata kam ni ke kamram ke jongi ni ko abi bagani ke inquiry di benong fair bakrang bagi pajba kiba bishar kiba iya kata ke jengkut bani suba ha bagi day bat kata allegation against director kata ka syong ha di pamtal hi ke ban rai katakan
director track nam track ban mi no nampak office
ini laong iu ba incorporate bat ngi ka FKHP na markat ba urang dan himu pa department kan long ko be ban penyat yang tak inquiry na mar lada urang dan himu ka bor kan chamjing tin nata ka daw ngi kerpat iu ba udi ban mi no si sendan ka office kanang kat ba kan inquiry ka patkon di buang ba ka dan haban pentip saya sigi bahe tinggi dengan ailat iu ban pentip sigi bahe ba ngangit scam ba cooperate pani geseng baun sangat rekam yang mentah yang disyakman.
I don't want to create any controversy. Like I'm not authorized also to give any statement on behalf of the government. But since this is personally attacking on me, I think I have got every right to defend myself. So I'm trying to defend myself in the inquiry committee. Today was the date actually for the hearing. Then for some reason actually. It could not happen today, so they have postponed it.
But
so this is inquiry is happening, but first hearing could not be done actually.
So they have asked you to.
And I'm telling you, since since the attack is personally on me, that I have misappropriated, I have done corruption and all. I am telling you, nothing as such. Nothing as such. There may be some lapses in the working in the office. See, sometimes you may have to, ignore the rules. Ignore the rules in a sense. Sometimes maybe you cannot wait for, so regarding this purchase and all, you cannot wait for the this purchase board or something like that. Then we order, okay, on emergency and all certain things are there. So they are saying that this thing also very irregular. Okay, so I have favored somebody and all. Those things are there.
Okay. So what we really want to know is they have asked you to leave the office immediately. So what is your response to it, sir?
I cannot leave. I cannot leave. See, I can cooperate on other things, but then asking me to leave, I cannot just leave like that. See, I'll have to inform my authority. If my authority says yes, you leave, then it's okay. I have informed.
We condemn FKGP. Don't interfere. FKGP. Don't interfere. We condemn FKGP. 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 FKGP.
Don't interfere.
Kani kejengwan kinong yalam ke FKGGP ban pa amino yo director nak office kalapan bitar ginong tray jong ke printing bat stationery bat kumta kini ginong tray klelum ban percajur kini kejengwan jong ke seng FKGGP.
We the employees, we were surprised, taken by surprise by the barging, and they should have followed some protocols before entering. Especially now, we are all busy in the election duty, and we feel that it was very improper on the part of the FKGGP.
Makiwan hangi ni kamdan JTPA ada jakini kisuwan bet kiwan bet hapo kamera jong director kamdan permission nenu kisurung bet direct hapo kamera director nabarba kitip menta kadi hapo election nabarba nusa hi bandung rumah hapo office nabarba kadi hapo election plus rasa kasih kamdan ki meeting KTA na nang welcome hapo office ni ini sukandam ya katangi kista kendam nomor baki dan kista ki badan hakam raja director menyeru kila dan dak jingtian kan nama kila suban bek bok tu hapo ayu kila so tiang nama dan kista ki badan lang hakam raja director ki nang terekam kila so syatian ye ke jumwan jongki ki suban bek kantran ye enu ki suban rung bek hakam raja itu ngingi supa tamat kantran ye hakam
FKGGP.